How to add administrator user if you lost access to the dashboard. It's a nightmare not being able to log into your WordPress site. You're sure you have the right password, you even tried resetting the password, but nothing works. You're locked out of your site. Thankfully, there are fast methods of regaining access by modifying a few database records or a few files with php. As long as you have some access to the server, you'll be back in phpMyAdmin in no time. Before you proceed with the video, please download the file I just opened. You will need to upload this file on your site, and we are going to create a temporary administrator user that we are going to use to reset the other admin password. So let's open the file. I have here downloaded the file. Let me open the file to show you the content. The code is simple. It simply adds a user called dexhow2 with the password dex909! So download the file from the description. You will need to upload this file to your site. We will need first to make a FTP connection from our PC or laptop to the server. If you have not connected your computer to the server, please check the description of the video. I have explained every step and what is needed for the connection. In this tutorial, we will use an already created connection, so if you have not done this, pause the video and check the description of the video. A connection is required. Let's open WinSCP. Click on Login. Now on the right part, open the folder public_html. Now go on the left side on the folder where you downloaded the file insertuser.php. This should be in the downloads folder. You see the file here. Click on the file. Now click on the upload button. Now click OK. The upload is usually instant. But what if you do not have a FTP connection and you have a cPanel account? You can upload this file with the cPanel account. Let me show you how to upload the file insertuser.php with a cPanel account. Open the browser. Write the domain name and put / and the text cPanel. Now write your username and password and click Login. Click on File Manager. Click on the folder public_html. Or go to the path where you have your WordPress installed. You should see a folder with these files on it. Click on the Upload button. Click on Select File. Go to the file insertuser.php you downloaded and select it. Click Open. The file should be uploaded very fast. After the upload, it does not matter if you uploaded by FTP or cPanel, do the following. Open a new tab on the browser and write your domain name /insertuser.php and access it. If you added the correct file on the path, you should see this message: admin user created. Now let's change the address on the address bar to domain name /wp-admin. Write the username dexhow2 and the password dex909! and click Login. If you do not remember the exact username and the password, check the file you downloaded. You are in the administration panel. You can now check the user and edit your admin user or remove any admin user added by a hacker. This is how you add administrator user if you lost access to the dashboard. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.